If you guys are proud owners of a wooden chopping board, you may or may not encounter a situation such as this.
Ew.
Yuck!
What the f-
Why though?
Disgusting!
Yeah, it can get a little gross. Moldy, to be precise, not cute at all. Chopping boards like this tend to host mold parties if they stay damp or get left in a humid spot for too long. But don't fret, you guys, and definitely don't blame your board. Now, you might feel tempted to just throw it away, and if you do, it's simply because you're a damn privileged and impatient son of a Don't throw it away, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix and freshen up a moldy wooden chopping board permanently. The first step is to give it a deep cleaning session. Mix your favorite dish soap with some baking soda and a bit of salt. Dilute it with a bit of water and scrub that mold away, as well as every other parts of the board with the abrasive butterfree sponge. Rinse thoroughly till it's squeaky clean, no more residues, and pat dry with a kitchen towel. So, we done? Of course we're not. Sit down. We want to fix this permanently, remember? We're gonna destroy whatever that is living microscopically, if that's even a word, underneath the layers of the wood. This is a kill it or fire moment. Literally, crank your stove onto the lowest heat setting so you don't burn your house down, and simply do this. Yeah, I don't know how to describe this process, so I hope you're a visual learner. Basically, we're completely drying the board up by exposing it to the flames. Not too excessive, of course, just until it dries up, but a key is to make sure the board gets hot to the touch. Like literally, it needs to be so hot that you could even touch the surface of the wood. And you gotta move it around like this for even heat distribution. Work on the first half of the chopping board first so you can hold the other half by hand. Then fan it around like this so it's cooled down slightly for handling. And then repeat the process for the other half. And that's it, you're done. Now we can store it somewhere dry, and the next time you wash it and let it air dry, the mold won't come back. But if it did come back in the far future, just repeat the steps I've shown in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you all in the near future. Bye-bye. Don't mind how this looks like, by the way, because this is like my old one that I use regularly, and this is the nicer one I use when I shoot my contents. Why am I even explaining all of this? Do I have to explain myself every time?